Hey guys, welcome girl to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. I wanted to try out some brushes from Amazon for you guys. Now this brushes was not sent to me. I bought it with my own money. I just wanted a new brush set to try out for you guys. These brushes are $13 on the Amazon website. This is a 12-piece set. So $13 is not bad for a full set of brushes, okay girl? These are the brushes here. I didn't open them, as you guys could see. We also get a bag with the brush. This is a nice bag. I could actually wear this with a nice dress. It looks really nice, right? So I'm going to show you guys the brush in a minute, but we get 12-piece. Okay, and this is, I think, is a rose gold brush set. So these brushes are from BS Mall, and this is a 12 set premium synthetic foundation powder concealer eye shadow brush. So they have different colors. They have black, champagne, and rose. I went with the black. I like the black one better, so that's what I went for. So you get 12-piece, like I said, and this is $13.99. I think this is a great buy, and I will put it in my storefront, so if you guys want to pick it up. What really drive me to get this is the handle. They look really nice. Like I told you guys in previous videos, you could use the brush wherever you want. That's what I do. I don't go by what they say here. So this is the bag. I'll show you guys what the bag looks like. It's not big. It just looks really nice. This is it here. You could put your brushes there. It looks a little cheap, but I still do like it. It's not that bad. You know, I could wear this with a nice outfit. Girl, you're not gonna know. So it comes with this shaper thing. I really do like these to shape your brush, because sometimes when you use the brush, they look crazy. So this is gonna help you to stay in place. What I really do like about this is the handle. Like I said, this looks so pretty. So it says that it's rose gold. It really don't look like rose gold to me. It looks more silver. Okay, so these are the 4 brushes here, okay? These are the 4 brushes. As you guys can see, they are really nice, actually. And they are good quality. They are really soft, as you guys can see. It really don't have like a bad smell. It has a smell, but the smell is not that bad. And these brushes are really soft. You know, I always advise you guys to wash your brushes before you put on your face. And sometimes I break out just doing this video, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks straight out from the package, okay? I use this one more to contour the face or to bronze the face. You could use this for powder. Okay, this is number 1. But I also use it for blushes, like for all over the face as well. You could use it for that. Number 2 is a highlighter. So you could use this for highlighter. I'm not a really highlighter person, but I would use this more like to pack on the product under my eyes. This is the foundation brush. Okay, this one is a little different, a little bit more dense. The shape is a little bit different from what I'm used to. You get 7 eye brushes, which is really good for the price of, for the $13 price, okay? Let me just prep the skin first. So I'm gonna go in with the Hydrating Face Primer. This is from Essence. Like I said in my previous video, this is really good for dry skin, so I recommend this. My skin is crazy dry. The weather is changing and my skin go through it. So I have to like really put more product on my skin just for my skin to feel hydrated, okay? Have you guys ever tried out brushes from Amazon? I'm addicted to Amazon. Like every single day, I'm on Amazon looking for stuff. So let's try out this foundation. I in love with this foundation. This is Zova. If you missed my previous video on this, put the link over here so you guys could take a look. The previous video, I used different shade. That shade was a little too dark for me, so I returned it. So we're gonna try, the shade that I'm gonna try is 380N Smile. This foundation is the bomb.com. It's really good for dry skin. And right now this is $14. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I checked it out. It's still $14. Okay, so this is a great buy. So hopefully I like this shade. So testing this out as well. So I'm gonna put a little bit on here. that hopefully that the shade looks good. So this is like 2 pumps, and as you guys know, I'm just gonna start right there and I'm gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh, I think this is the shade, girl. So I'm just gonna like press it into the skin. Girl, this is the shade. This is the shade, girl. I am so happy. And I want to make sure that I get a foundation that I could wear every single time. And I so happy that I got this one. It looks like my shade. Yep. I don't remember which one that I tried out, but I will put the link at the end of the video if you guys want to see that video. So this brush blending out the product really good. It's not poking on the skin at all, just like really smooth, soft. Okay, girl, like it's soaking up a little bit of the product, but not that bad. It's working really good. I just hope that this don't break me out. I never use a brush like this for foundation wise, and it's working good. I'm really impressed with this brush. All right, so this looks really good, right? I really do like this brush. This is like my first time using this type of angle brush for foundation. So this works really good. I really do like it. It blends out the product really good. And girl, I actually love how this foundation looks on my skin. I know we're not here to talk about the foundation, but I'm testing on the foundation as well. I really do like the shade. It looks really, really nice. I'm really impressed with it. Girl, $13, like really. This is really good. So we're gonna try out another one. We don't have anything for concealer, but I still think I'm gonna use this for concealer. Keep it in the family. So I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. This is from Maybelline Age Rewind Tan Concealer, okay? And let's just see how it blend out the concealer. Girl. Love it. This is blending out really nicely. Like, look at this. And sometimes what the trick is, I don't like to bring my concealer all the way there. I feel like my face look a little bit more bigger when I do that. So I try to keep it in the middle as possible. So that's why I usually bring it up here, like the end part. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think this is a great brush for concealer and foundation. I really like the way it blend out the product. This is a great brush. Like if I could get another one by itself, I would buy this over again. This is really good. I'm gonna set this really quick because I don't want this to crease. So we're gonna use the Patrick Star setting powder. This is for highlighter, but I wanna use this to set it because it's a little bit more smaller and it could get all under the eyes. Okay, we're gonna go in with some of the powder. Let me just dust off a little bit, and like I told you guys, just look up a little bit and make sure that the powder is under the eyes. I'm really happy with this brushes. Like this is really soft, girl. Oh, synthetic. Ooh, look at this. Well, all the reviews that I checked on Amazon, everybody liked it. That's why I went for this. So I'm just gonna pat it in. I don't want any streaks on my face. So far, I'm really impressed, okay? Look at this. Flawless, right? Girl, I'm not gonna contour today. I'm gonna bronze. I'm not in the mood to contour. It's just too much work for me today. I'm gonna go in and bronze the face. And this is where the magic happens, okay? Bronzing is my favorite thing to do because you just see everything coming together, okay? My favorite bronzer is from Mented Cosmetics, and this is Yacht Life, okay? So I'm gonna like dip this in. No kickbacks. Like what? No kickbacks. Crazy, right? All I'm doing is patting in. I'm not brushing it on my skin. I'm just packing it in This is what I do, girl. Girl, if you could get your hands on this brush, just get it. If you like brushes like myself and you're looking for something that is cheap, girl, get it. Look how it's blending out the product, like really nice on the skin. Look at this. I don't even have to go back and blend. Sometimes I would go back if I put too much of the product, but I went in very lightly and I build it up. Look at this. I'm going to use this powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I just want a little bit highlight on there. This powder gives a little kickback sometimes. Now, when I put this brush in, I'm getting a little kickback as well. It's just the powder because this powder does that. I just want a little shine. Now, this powder is really good, but I used to use it all over the face. I like how it looks under the eyes, so I tend to use it that way. So basically, I'm giving my nose a little contour at the same time. I just love my nose, my natural, beautiful nose. I love it. I have the perfect nose. I have the perfect face, the perfect lips. I just love myself, okay? Now you could use this brush for blush. I don't think I will use any blush today. I just did a review on this product, okay? I'm gonna try it out again. This is from Huda Beauty. I really don't like this product by itself. It's just a little bit too glowy. So I'm gonna use it to see if it's the same on top of the product. This is the amount of product here. This picks up a lot, okay? So I'm gonna start in the bottom here. I'm not gonna put it all over the face because I don't like it under the eyes. So I'm just gonna focus it around my face, okay? I shouldn't have put it on my forehead too because I don't like it on the forehead. I shouldn't have done that. I just remembered. I don't know why she named it as a foundation. This is basically a highlighter, okay? It just settled right there. I don't really like that. Hopefully when I spray the face, it look better. I'm gonna go in with a different powder for that step. It's just not working for me. But it looks really nice though, but it's just a lot of highlight. I'm gonna clean this brush here. I got this J-Cat brush cleaner. I'm just gonna clean that off because I don't want the Huda Beauty powder on this. And I'm just rubbing it in, and honestly, I don't get any shedding at all. This is like a perfect brush, guys. Girl, I'm just gonna use this. This is my holy grail. This is Fenty right here. If you don't have this, get it, okay? Now, Fenty is the truth, okay? She did her thing. So I'm just gonna go over here a little bit. Just go over the bronzer a little bit. And I'm gonna put it over here. It's just not working for me with the Huda Beauty powder. So I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Coral Obsession palette. I had this for years, girl, and I never actually used it. So this brush here, I'm going to use this regular brush for this step. I feel like sometimes those brushes are a little bit too soft for blending. So let's see how this one works. I had the same issue with the other brushes that I used in the past. So let's just see. So let's just go in with this shade here. I'm just going to focus it right in the corner here first. I just want to see how it blends out. Okay, so the same thing I said, you know, it's soft, but it's not that soft. Sometimes when I'm using this type of brushes, if it's too soft, like the brushes is taking control instead of I'm taking control of the brush, if that makes sense. So I'm going to bring it in a little bit, but it blends out the product really good. So I always have issues with this eye. I don't know why. I never get it correctly. Actually, this is a brush I'm supposed to use for the corner here, but you know me, I just use the brush however I want. I'm gonna go back in again. Let's just see how it works. Yeah, they're all the same. They're a little too soft for me. But for the price, girl, I'm gonna make it work. So I want to know in the comments below if you guys ever tried out any brushes from Amazon, anything at all. Have you guys ever tried? And if you guys have a favorite brush on that website, let me know so I could do a review on them. I know Amazon has a lot of brushes and they have new stuff as well when it comes to makeup. The shade looks a little different on my eyelid than the Panda. Okay, so we have a bigger one. We're gonna use this one. I'm going to take this color here. This is a shimmer shade, I guess. Oh, let's see how Huda Beauty works. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty. Ooh. I don't know why I haven't used this palette. I think at the time I was so over eyeshadows, and I think they had a sale and I bought it and I thought, okay, I'm gonna use it, and I never did. So I really do like this brush for packing the product on the lid. It's just really dense. Love that. Let me know what you guys think about this. Like, I can't really see well what I'm doing. I have a mirror in front of me, but I still cannot really see properly. So I think it looks good. Let me know. I use all the brushes, okay? Because I wanted to see how they works on my lid. So this is the lashes that I use. This is from Adele. This is the Studio Effect lashes. This is the 231 lash, and I got it on sale a few months ago for $1.50, and I actually like it. This is one of my favorite ones. So hopefully that my lashes are, you know, they are good, because girl, you know how it is. I've been having issues with lashes. So I just pop it on so it will bring out the look a little bit. And I think I did good. Let me know what you guys think. I really do like these brushes. They works really, really nice on the skin. They're very soft. They are sturdy. These are only $13, okay? I really do like the complexion brushes. They perform really good. I have no issues with these. If you're looking for brushes, this is it. Foundation brush, it blend out so good. I don't know how it's gonna work after I wash it, because this is just straight out from the package. So whenever I wash this, and if I experience any shedding after, it will be in the description box down below. I like the complexion brushes more than the eyeshadow brushes. I'm not really a fan of it. They're a little bit too soft for me, like I've shown you guys, and I always have that experience when I'm trying on Amazon brushes. Everything that I use will be listed down below if you want to get anything, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, thumbs up the video. It helps a lot. Let me know what you guys think, okay? I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this product. Now, if you tried out these brushes before, let me know what you think about these. I like them. They are the bomb, okay? To my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. We have a goal, as always. We're trying to reach 4,000 subscribers for this year, and we are doing good. So don't forget to share the video as well. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and sticking around. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you guys so much. See you guys.